Hello, and welcome to the Omics Marketplace, or PMart for short. In this video, we'll show you how to properly upload your omics data. First, specify your molecule type. These can be peptides, proteins, metabolites, lipids, or transcripts. For more information, click the See Data Requirements button. As a heads up, certain molecule types may have specific follow-up questions to answer later. Next, upload an expression data file, which can be a CSV or TXT file. In the expression data, one column contains the biomolecule identifiers, and the other columns contain the relative abundances per sample for mass spectrometry, the peak area for NMR spectroscopy, or counts of transcripts for RNA-seq-based omics. Here we have a peptide proteomics dataset. The peptide column indicates the identifiers for the biomolecule of interest, and all the other columns contain the samples with relative abundance measurements for each biomolecule. Denote which column contains your molecular identifiers. Select a scale for your data. Supported options include raw intensity, log base 2, log base 10, natural log, or counts for transcripts only. Select a transformation for your data with the next drop-down menu. A common selection for MS or NMR-based omics is log 2. Next, enter what symbol denotes when a biomolecule wasn't quantified, otherwise referred to as missing data. For example, Na is commonly used, or 0. Specify whether your data has been already normalized and then click I'm done specifying values. Finally, add an option that contains additional information for molecular identifiers. For example, this peptide dataset includes information about what proteins each peptide maps to. The peptide column matches that of the expression data file, and subsequent information about that peptide, including the protein in which the peptide maps to, is included in the additional columns. Another example of when this optional file may be useful is if you upload lipidomics data. You may map individual lipids to lipid classes. If you do not have this data, select No. Now with the data uploaded and the necessary options specified, click Create Omics Data Object. Now you can see a summary table which includes the number of unique samples, peptides and proteins, and the total proportion of missing observations. To the right, you can view box plots of the abundance distributions per sample. Every page has a Help button in the top right at the end of the tabs. Clicking Help will trigger a pop-up with descriptions on how to use the page you're currently on.